Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to guide you through the process of legally changing your name in Texas. Whether you're changing your name to marriage, divorce, or personal reason, we've got you covered. In the next few steps, you can quite easily change your name legally. So let's get into it. Now, it's important to know that the information provided in this video is for information purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. I'm not a legal representative or an attorney. For specific legal concerns or questions, please consult a qualified legal professional. Right? Let's get into this video. The first thing you need to do is determine your reason for changing your name, and once you've done so, you need to complete the required forms. You'll need these necessary forms in Texas. The primary form you'll need is the petition for change of name. You can find this form on the Texas Judicial Branch website or at your local district court. Here's what to include: your current name, your proposed name, and, of course, your reason for change. Once you've completed this form, it's time for your petition. You can file for a petition at your local district court. Here's what you need to keep in mind. First of all, there may be a fee. If you cannot afford this fee, you may apply for a fee waiver. Also, you need to make sure that you are doing so in your county that you reside in. After filing your petition, you'll receive a court date for your hearing. It's important to attend this hearing, of course, as the judge will review your petition. Be prepared to explain your reason for your name change. The judge may ask questions to ensure that this name change is not for any fraudulent processes. Also, in some cases, particularly for minors, you may need to bring witnesses to support your petition. Now, once the judge has approved your petition, you will receive a court order granting your name change. Make sure to keep this document safe, as you'll need it to follow the next few steps. The next few steps involve updating your identification as well as your records. So, first of all, you'll need to update your Social Security Administration, your Department of Public Safety, your bank and financial institutions, other important documents. This may include passports, insurance policies, or even medical records. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully change your name legally in Texas. Now, it may seem like a lot, but with the right information, you can navigate through the process smoothly. If you found this video helpful, drop us a like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy our content. We'll see you next time.